Well, a lot of people want to know about, should I file first? I haven't filed first. Does that advantage my ex? Well, the short answer is it could. It's going to depend on the scenario. I'll tell you this. No kids, no property, no debts, no nothing, and just two younger people getting, I don't think it matters who files first. On the flip side, if there are children, and if there's going to be, for example, a custody dispute regarding those children, well, if that's the case, filing first may help you. Number one, you may get an interim order granting you temporary custody. And there's a certain inertia that goes along with that. And if you can get that custody, it may help you in the future. Not only that, if you go first, that means that you filed. That means the court read your pleadings first. You know what that allows you to do? Control the narrative. Sure, the other side could file first and you could file an answer. They could say, I want custody, and you could say, me too, I also want custody. But you know what? In the back of the mind of the court's thinking, you know what? If you really wanted custody, why the heck didn't you file first? What's this me too? All of a sudden he wants it, so now you want it? If you were so involved in the children, if you were so committed to getting custody, I would think you would have filed first. So you know what? In that sense, yeah, sometimes it does give you an advantage if you file first. What does it tell you? It tells you got a plan. You got to have some strategy. And how are you going to know what makes sense? The lawyer is going to be key to it. The lawyer is going to give you advice about what should be filed, where it should be filed, when it should be filed. Does it make a difference if this one files first or if that one files first? You know, sometimes you could say, well, obviously, let's file first. What's the harm? Blah, blah, blah. I want to file first. Well, you know what? There are some relationships that are governed by certain documents, certain prenuptials, certain dowry documents. There are some ritual documents that say that, if you file first, then you lose certain benefits. I've seen documents like that where, the one who files relinquishes certain rights. So you got to be very, very careful about this. Bottom line is, talk to your lawyer. He'll ask the appropriate questions to determine whether or not there is an advantage or disadvantage in filing or not filing first.
248-588-3333. 248